Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'm going to compare the OnePlus 7 Pro versus the Realme X2 Pro device in terms of playing the Fortnite game. So this was a question asked by one of my subscriber friends in my WhatsApp. So if you have any queries regarding the smartphones, you can WhatsApp me to the number given and just send me the screenshot friends after subscribing to my channel. And you can ask the query regarding the smartphones you want. So in this way, you can send me the screenshot after subscribing and even click the like button as well friends. So he has asked me to do a test on the Realme X2 Pro whether it supports 60 FPS or not. So you want to know whether comparing with the OnePlus 7 Pro which is better. So that's why I thought of making a video friends here. And the OnePlus 7 Pro comes with a Snapdragon 855 processor, whereas the Realme X2 Pro comes with the 855 Plus processor. So let me try to open the Fortnite game in both phones, and because I installed the Fortnite game in both the phones, let me try to open the Fortnite game friends here. So both the phones are at 90 refresh rate. And I don't think even turning off it won't affect because we are running only at 60 FPS is a maximum in Fortnite game at the moment. So let's check whether the Realme X2 Pro actually supports the 60 FPS or not. So we can compare side by side settings clearly here, so the user can understand clearly which phone is better in terms of Fortnite gaming. So if you want me to do any other game test as well friends, do comment below regarding any other smartphones. So definitely I'll be trying different games in my channel. So at the moment I'm just testing PUBG, Free Fire, Fortnite and Asphalt 9 and Call of Duty. So only these games. So do comment below friends if you are playing any other new games. Let me check Wi-Fi is connected to the phone or not. Yeah, Wi-Fi is connected. Sometimes it takes a little bit of longer time friends in terms of loading the Fortnite game. And it is the game Fortnite game in the OnePlus 7 Pro device. Let me open the settings friends in the OnePlus 7 Pro. So here you can clearly see it's 60 FPS friends. So let me try to zoom in. So 60 FPS, and here I set to the high, and let me try to set to the epic, so it automatically goes to the 30 FPS. So if you increase the FPS to 60, then it will go to the high, as you can see clearly. So here is the OnePlus 7 Pro, and now let me do the same settings in the Fortnite game in the Realme X2 Pro device. So you can compare side by side friends. The settings is different in the Realme X2 Pro device when you compare with the OnePlus 7 Pro. So here is the settings from the Realme X2 Pro device friends. So let me try to go to the settings here, and you can see so clearly it's 30 FPS. So there is no option to increase the FPS here, so it's just 20 or 30. So even if I choose the graphics quality to the high as well, still the FPS remains at 30 friends. So you can clearly see. So overall there is no 60 FPS support at the moment in the Realme X2 Pro device. So maybe it might get updated in the later on, but at the moment there is no 60 FPS support in the Realme X2 Pro device. And for more videos, subscribe to my channel friends, Sai Tech Guru. So see you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.